Hello guys and welcome back to Wyckoff Training Academy. In this video, we would be discussing about uh, Euro USD, what sort of signals appeared today. The recent signal which we got, or the recent support level which we got, is based on this particular bar. This bar is printing, still in process. 3 minutes 30 seconds to go, and we got this particular level of support. If price goes now, what and how this support to be traded? Simple. Over your mouse over above this support level, you will see look for a swing or test of a breakdown. Spring is normally when price goes above, comes back, and then closes above this particular level. This is called a spring. Test of the breakdown. Again, price goes above or break down, then come back, revolve around it, test it, and then starts its downward journey. So this is the place to place your short orders. This is the place to place your long orders. So how do we do this? By using Weiss wave, auto Weiss wave, price and volume, and this tape reading toolkit that we'll learn in future lessons. So first of all, this is the recent signal. Yet the price is about to take shape, whether it's going to hold. Though as we are getting, there is a huge volume uh, of supply to take this market downwards. If this thing has to hold, it will go into consolidation, and then this all the exchange of hand would take place from sellers. Like this is the selling. It has to go upwards. Then the sellers will get converted into buyers, and here we would get some sort of sign, and then based on the sign, a particular bar, a bar, demand bar, or a no supply, or a trend change, or a previous trend change, yellow color bar. On those bar, we will initiate a trade. Having said that, what happened from like since today morning, we'll just have a look at this thing. We got first fresh level drawn at 905 to previous levels were there. Though the previous level was held and we had an upthrust taking place over here, which gave us a good trade. But as we are trading, we waited for the new level to be formed. So this was our anchor, price extended. This was a resistance level. So typically for resistance level, if you hover your mouse over, look for an upthrust or a test of a breakdown. So this is a resistance level, and based on this resistance level, price tried to, this was the last attempt to take the market upwards. Again, we had a attempt to take the market upwards. Again, we had attempt to take the market upwards. But as you can see, this is the beauty of tape reading toolkit. If you're using normal candlestick, every close which is above open would print a green candle. Every close below the open would print a red candle. So this will not show you exactly what is happening. Whereas these hollow candles are showing us that there was a buying pressure in the beginning. Then afterward, this was a buying pressure. This was the last buying pressure. Then all of a sudden, all these things are weak demands, and taking in consideration weak supply. That means there is supply in the background. And if you're getting a short selling opportunity over here, then this is the beautiful test of a breakdown. though there is not a clean touch to the line, but still we are getting price resolving like or exchange of hand taking place from buyers to sellers or from demand to supply. So this was an idle bar. This was an idle bar for selling, short selling, and this yield us if we write the trade till this particular point, till this particular signal, we got 224 points, which is more than enough for a day trader on a 5 minute time frame. Because these trade setups are you're sitting with the logic. I always believe, and Wyckoff always advocated, or he advocates, he used to say in his studies, look for the setups which are, or look for the opportunities wherein your, or like what I have taken out of Wyckoff is like, I always try to look for position where things are descriptive and things I can do a proper analysis based on what is happening in the market in terms of supply and demand. If demand is greater, then I definitely I'll look for buying opportunities, and these are the levels of like support or resistance. They help they helps a trader to identify those pinpointing areas. Like for example, this was a pure consolidation, no tradable kind of activity. Though price has broken out, though we haven't got a support spring over here, but we do got a spring over here. If you look closely, this level was extended from this point, price went below and price closed above. And again, this is a buying bar. If you would have bought it over here, this would have been a good trade in a reverse trend, as we are already facing supply. So after that, what happened? We had broken down. It gave two trades. One as a spring, second one breakdown, test of the spring, or test of the breakdown, which happens to be somewhere around here or somewhere around here. Short this bar, again a good trade. And after these two trades, this trade I took, though I missed this swing because I was bit uh, like I was bit confused in this taking this trade because whenever there are two levels coming closer to each other, uh, the if we are coming down, the lowest level holds most importance. So, and moreover, as we are have like daily showing weak supply, and at this particular time, I don't know what was the 4 hour and 1 hour was showing. So, if there is supply, then definitely I would look for a selling opportunity. That is the reason this dashboard helps us. If it says if there are uh, higher time frame in our favor, then definitely I'll go for a higher time frame trade. So this was 133, 244, more than 300 trade points. So this is how today's Euro USD uh, gave us an opportunity in trading. And even after that also you can see when we bounce back. If you say why we had a bounce from this particular point. So for that, if we zoom out, look at this particular level, 6675. There might be some level at that has to be, or there might be some level at double six This was a level, but we don't have any level at this particular point because let me zoom out. 1 second. I'll draw because whenever there is price turn taking place, there has to be some meaning. 661. Origin design. Coordinate 16661. I'm taking a random number. So now let's zoom out and just scroll back to see if there was a level on this particular price level because we are seeing I had planned to do some videos on this one. And we don't have it this particular one. I think we have to move. The plan is expired, so I'll have to see in 15 minutes. See over here. This level is 722. I'm talking about this particular level. That too dated. 1 second. What was the date? 14 June. Right. So on 14 June, we had this particular level. You can see this level is plus or minus 722 and price came back to this particular level. What was the low? Let me 717 exactly, I guess. 717 exactly. This bounce occurred at 715 pip plus or minus. I'm not taking it exactly. And here also you can see the close of this particular candle is above this level 717. First close was below, it was 717, and second close was 717, above 717. So these levels are excellent and they are based on they you just follow them for a month or so and you will find out they makes your task easier and they give you a level wherein there is high probability of getting a trade and how to trade, where to trade, how what should be my entry or exit bar. That is quite clear. Once you opt for this thing, you will get all the training stuff, which bar, where to enter, how to enter, where should be your stop loss. Even if you're stopped out, how to re-enter into a trade, where to exit, how to manage your trade, how to manage your trade stop loss. And in my coming videos, I will dive in more detail about how to collaborate this with version 155 so that it is like for me, in my trading, um, I, I have an accuracy of 80 plus percent. So how to achieve this much of accuracy? There is a disclaimer. It requires a lot of time and effort and dedication from your side. Because if you're planning to earn in thousands of dollars, like then you have to invest your time. So thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll keep you posted up and I'll keep on uploading videos on daily basis. So if you have any doubt and concern, please comment below, or either you can join my Telegram group. You have, and there is a WhatsApp number given in the description. If you want, you can. This trading system is launched from today. If any one of you want to take benefit out of it, you can DM me. I'll send you the details of the system. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for watching this video.